Hello friends, what's up? This is your tech Tutor. Today I will explain the what is the artificial intelligence AI definition, types of working of AI. The artificial intelligence is a rapidly transformed world and it is not a science fiction anymore. It is the important everything from how we shop to how doctor diagnostic diseases. But what exactly is AI? In itself, artificial intelligence AI refers to intelligent machines that can minimize human cognitive functions like learning, problem solving. This article will be explored the core concept of the AI, how it works, and the various of beginning use improve your lives. And as to daily in the importance of the responsible AI developments to ensure that technology benefit every content of what is artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence AI is branch of computer science focused on creating intelligent mission capability, mimic human cognitive functions like learning, problem solving. It is broad field encompassing various techniques but break down to get you started. Core goal of artificial intelligence. Eliminate humanity intelligent missions. This can involve tasks like reasoning and learning, problem solving, decision making. The reasoning, analyze information, draw logical consoling, learning, acquire new knowledge and skill from data, problem solve, identify and solve the problem goal oriented way, decision making, elevation options, making choice based available informations. How does AI works? This artificial intelligence AI enable missions to learn from data and recognize to partner into the performance tasks more effectively and effectively. AI works five steps: input, processing, outcome, adjust, and assessment. And the input data is collected from the various sources. The data then stored by category wise. The processing of this AI short display the data using patterns and being programmed to learn until recognize similar pattern in the data. Outcomes. The AI can be used as pattern to predict outcomes. Adjustments. If the data set are the consider of fair, AI learn from that mistakes and processing is prepared again under different conditions. Assessment. In this way, AI is constantly learning, improving this. Types of AI and artificial intelligence. Narrow AI, weak AI, this call. This from the AI designing trained for specified tasks or domains such as speech, recognized images, classifications, recommendations of the system. Narrow AI excel within a definite parameter but lots of general immunity like intelligence. General AI, the strong AI. This general AI aims to exhibit humans like intelligence and congregant ability across the wide range of tasks from AI system, optical, this remaining long term goals age. The machine learning. The machine learning substitute AI for focusing enable mission to learn from data, improving their performance without being exactly programmed, including techniques like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Natural language processing that calls short form NLP. The natural language processing the enable machines understand and interpret the generating human languages and applications range from the chatbots and translation services such systematic analyze and text summarizing. The computer vision enable to mission interpret and understand visual information from word. It is used in the video recognized object detecting autonomous vehicles and medical imaging. Computer vision. The computer vision enabled to mission to interpret and understand visualization information from world. It is used into image, video recognize, objection detection, autonomous vehicles and medical image analyzing, robotic. The robotic combination here with the mechanical engineering can create missions, robots, and can perform physical tasks automatically, semi-automatically application including industrial automation, healthcare assistant, and exploration of the Earth's environmental. Export system. The export system are AI system designed by eliminate decisions making ability of human export specifications to man the use knowledge of base of enterprise engine provide advanced solving problem in the area of export. The use of artificial intelligence. The use of artificial intelligence many particular applications across the various industrial and domains including healthcare, finance, mainly retail and manufacture. The healthcare AI used medical diagnosis by analyzing medical images like X-rays and MRIs to identify diseases. For instance, AI systems being developed to detect skin cancer from image with high accuracy. The finance, the AI helps to credit score by analyzing borrowers' financial histories, other data to predict their credit worthiness. This helps banks decide to where you approve loan and what interest rate retains. This is the AI used product recommendations by analyzing your past purchase and browsing beware to suggested products you might be interested for. Example, Amazon use AI to recommend products to customers on their websites. The manufacturers AI also quality controls instructions products for defective AI system can be trained to identify even very small defect that human inspect may be not protection. AI use these autonomous vehicles by developing self-drive cars that is the navigate roads without humanity. Companies like and Tesla are the developed self-drive car technology. Customer service. AI-powered chatbots are used answering customer questions and providing support. For instance, many banks use chatbot to answer customer questions about their account and transactions. Thus, AI securities. This hair security used for facial recognized by identify people from image or videos. This technology used for security purpose such as identify criminals or the authorized individuals. The marketing. AI used the target advertising by showing ads people who are most likely to be interested in the product service being advertised. For example, social media companies use AI target ads to use based their education. The AI is used for personalized learning by tailoring educational content to the individual needs. Each student has, for example, a powered tutoring system can provide students with personalized instructor feedback. The need artificial intelligence of the why is AI important of this work. The need to artificial intelligence AI system for result to improve our efficiency, solve complex problems and make better decisions is the breakdowns of the important AI across the various aspects increasing effective and productivity. The AI autonomous perspective talks freeing of humanity, times and resource for more strategic endeavors. Imaging AI-powered robots handling assembling lines in factories, chatbot managing customer service inquiries, allowing human employees to focus on the invitation of complex problem solving, enhanced decision making. AI can analyze vast amount of data, identify pattern and trend that the human might be missing. This allows for data-driven decision making in various fields like finance, healthcare, and marketing. For instance, AI can analyze financial data to predict marketing trend and patent medical data suggested personalized treatment plans. Innovations of progress. AI can accelerate scientific discovery and technology advancement. AI-powered research tools can analyze complex scientific data, simultaneous experiment, and identify promising areas for future exploration. Improving your quality of life. AI has the potential to revolution various sectors, leading to better quality of life. Example including self-driving cars, improved transportation safety, and AI powered by force enhancing mobility for those with disability. And addressing global challenge. AI can be powerful tool targeting global challenges like climate change and resource management. AI can optimize energy use to predict weather patterns and analyzing environmental data support enable this. Chatbot AI. The main conclusion is the AI intelligent screen revolution our world. AI automatic tasks, improving decision making through data analyzing tools, suspect advanced assessment, education. AI is the potential significant enhanced quality of life. However, responsibility developing is critical. AI can lead to jobs displacement and raising ethical concern about the logarithms and issues. Open communication calibration among the rich developing policy making and public area essentials by the AI is a power good and focus human well-being. You can ensure AI. Please subscribe my Tech Dot channel. Please like my Tech Dot channel. Thanking you once again. Your Tech